In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with Microsoft Teams for seamless collaboration and enhanced productivity. Before we dive into the steps, let's discuss why this integration is useful. By connecting Zoom to Microsoft Teams, you can streamline your workflow, ensuring that your team meetings and collaborations are as efficient and effective as possible. It allows you to manage your Zoom meetings directly from Teams, eliminating the need to switch between applications and helping you stay focused on the task at hand. The first thing you'll want to do is open Microsoft Teams. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have full access to all the features Teams offers. Once you're in, look toward the left sidebar. Here, you'll see an icon labeled Apps. This is your gateway to all the third-party integrations available within Microsoft Teams, which includes, of course, Zoom. Click on Apps and you'll be brought to a new window displaying a variety of tools and add-ons. In the search bar at the top of this window, type in Zoom. This will filter the available apps to show you the Zoom app specifically. When you see Zoom in the search results, go ahead and click on it. You'll be directed to the Zoom app page within Teams, where you'll find an Add button. Clicking this button will start the installation process. Rest assured, this is a straightforward process. Simply follow any prompts that appear to allow the installation to complete smoothly. Once the Zoom app is installed in Teams, you'll need to sign in to Zoom. This step is crucial for enabling the full functionality of the integration. Click on the app within Teams to open it. You'll be prompted to enter your Zoom account credentials. Be sure you have this information handy. After signing in, your Zoom account will be linked to Microsoft Teams, empowering you to manage your meetings much more efficiently. Now that you've successfully signed in, let's explore how to schedule or start Zoom meetings directly from Teams. This capability lies at the heart of why this integration boosts productivity. Within Microsoft Teams, you'll now notice that when you create a new calendar event or meeting, there's an option to make it a Zoom meeting. Click on New Meeting, and after entering your event details like the date, time, and participants, simply look for the new Zoom option in the Meeting Setup menu. Choose this option, and a Zoom link will be automatically generated and added to your meeting invitations, streamlining both the scheduling process and the accessibility for attendees. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to combine Microsoft Teams and Zoom for better communication and collaboration. Remember, the key to effective team management is seamless integration, and by connecting these two robust platforms, you're well on your way to optimizing your workflow.